Hi guys, my name is Hannah Olson. I'm currently a junior at NAU. I'm studying biomed and nutrition, and today I'm going to be making green curry with you. So first of all, you can make this curry anytime, lunch, dinner. I usually make it for dinner any day of the week. The ingredients are super simple. First we've got I've already cooked or boiled these potatoes. I just did some water and salt, and there's 2 russet potatoes in here. And then I have a can of chickpeas. It's about a 15-ounce can. We have some full-fat coconut milk, some mixed frozen vegetables. You can use any kind that you like. We have some pre-cooked rice. We have some curry paste, our spices, and yeah, that's everything. Oh, and you'll need some water to add to the pot as well. So first, we're gonna add, let me grab a spoon. We're gonna add coconut milk. Perfect. Right, and then you're gonna add your potatoes and chickpeas. And then I usually do about half the bag of frozen vegetables, but you can do as much as you'd like. Perfect. All right. And then before you add your spices and your curry paste, you want to get everything boiling first so it'll incorporate better. So let's go over to the stove. I usually do like a medium heat. Right, and then I take a coconut milk can and I add some water to it just to get the rest of the coconut milk out of there, and then I add that to the pot as well. So over to the sink. And go ahead and add that. And then give everything a big stir and wait for that to boil. Alright, so once you have your curry boiling, you're going to want to add your curry paste and spices. So, you're going to add in the paste and the spices. Then you just give it a good mix. And then you want to let that boil for a few minutes just to get everything incorporated. And then also you want to add salt and pepper to your taste. So just going to do a few things of pepper and some salt. And then stir that in. And then once you bring it back to a boil, it should be ready to eat. All right, and then once it's boiled for a little bit, everything's incorporated, you can get ready to plate it. So I have my bowl of rice. Just gonna do a scoop in here. Dropped a chickpea, that's okay. All right, and you just add as much as you want on top. And that's your curry.